Hi, my name is Mitch Ziegler. I'm a physical therapist, and today we're going to be going over a strengthening exercise. It's a strengthening exercise for the quadricep muscles, and this is called a knee extension machine. This machine right here. There's other machines that don't have this apparatus that you may recognize in your gym, but this is the one we're going to use for today because this is all I have access to in our gym. So the idea of this exercise is to strengthen the quadricep muscle. This muscle, or this exercise, isn't done in a closed chain fashion. It's an open chain, so we're not weight bearing in this. So from a functional perspective, it doesn't do a lot to enhance athletic performance. What it does do is it increases muscle strength and girth of the muscle. So if you're a bodybuilder, this is an awesome exercise. If you're coming off of a surgery and you just need to get the quadricep muscles to fire, this is a good exercise to do. But you want to make sure that this exercise doesn't cause a lot of knee pain. Okay? And I'll show you a couple tricks you can do for that. So first of all, just tuck your knee underneath the pads. And if there's adjustments you can make, go ahead and make them. The adjustment for the bottom pad should be about, not quite mid-shin, but between the ankle and mid-shin. That's where it should be. The axis of rotation on the machine should line up perfectly with your knee. So if you need to make adjustments to your machinery to make sure that the axis lines up with the knee. So you should work with your personal trainer to make sure that that is all set up in advance. Okay, so the exercise is very simple. You extend your legs out, you contract your quads concentrically, you slowly release them and control the weight coming back. That eccentrically works the quadricep muscle. A couple of things, if you extend out and it causes some type of knee pain, like around the kneecap, what you can do is you can change the angle of your feet. So let me show you. If you can turn your feet in, you can turn your feet out, you can keep them straight. You just change the position of your feet, and by changing that, we'll change the angle and the position where the kneecap has to track through the femur, the femoral condyles. So the exercise again is extend the knees all the way. Make sure you get a little extra contraction at the top. Make sure you don't lose that contraction. Slowly come down. So contract hard coming out, slowly come back. And then if you want to change the angle of your feet, that'll also change the different fibers that'll work in the quadricep. It'll change those angles too. So it is good to change your feet position if you have pain, or if you just want to build muscle girth, but do it on different angles to work the fibers a little differently in the quadricep muscle. So I think that covers about everything I need to. Again, the key is make sure that the axis of rotation on the machine lines up perfectly with the knee. Make sure that the lower pad is a little bit up from the foot, so it's kind of between mid-shin and your foot. And then just make sure you control the weight. You put an extra contraction at the top here, really contract hard at the top, and slowly let the weight come down. You want to repeat this for about 3 sets of 10 reps. That can vary depending on what you're shooting for, but the traditional is 3 sets, 10 reps. On the 10th rep, you want to be able to just barely be able to complete that last rep. That way you know you have the correct amount of weight. And that's it for tricep, or for tricep. It's for knee extensions. Thank you very much for watching my video.